Well, when we started, which was a long time back, there was no television, there was no FTV, there were no magazines. So the girls that came reflected their origins. Their personalities were not formed by anybody, they were formed by their own character.
A model should have, whether it's a standard model or a plus size model, is confidence. I think the industry is not just looking for a pretty face and a pretty body. Essentially, models are there to make clothes look good and make clothes come to life.
Despite of how confident everyone thinks I am, of course, I kind of have to tell myself that I'm here because they need me to perform, and they need me to give them the images that they're looking for, because this is of crucial importance to this shoot.
It's very important that they know their strengths. And I try to work with each of my models like that. I push them. I make sure that their potential is turned out.
When you're in this industry, there's so many things that you can be faced with. There are issues, but how do you deal with professionally? Because again, these are all young kids.
Before I got into the industry, I wish I knew a few things which I know now. That it's a lot of hard work. That it's not a piece of cake at all whatsoever. It's hustle every single day. And if you're hustling every single day, you're going to make it big.
We have to do everything from the beginning. I have to fight for my place, not only as a model, even as a human, a place in a society.
It's a lot of hard work. It's a lot of long hours. It's a lot of flights.
The industry has changed its course from being a very close set-up organization with limited access and a set societal definition to a very mature and an open entity.
Fashion is about expressing oneself. It doesn't matter what skin type, gender, body type that you have. A transgender can look as beautiful in a dress as I can, or somebody who is a size 4.
Fashion industry has been the idea of celebrating diversity and beauty in all its forms. So there was a time, I remember, when Miss India had a 5'6" height criteria, while now it is a 5'3" height criteria.
As soon as the society accepts, it becomes normal. Hey, you're going to have all kinds of models.
We still have a long way to go, and for that we need to all hold our hands and then proceed it for the betterment.
It's a beautiful industry if you come in with the right attitude, if you've got the right mentors and trainers.
Just being able to also be told that, hey, walk confidently. Don't doubt yourself so much. It's okay. Like, what you have is maybe what they want, kind of make it fun and exciting for them and kind of boost of confidence vitamins and kind of push them out into the world.
The Wilderby Talent Camp by Lakshmi Rana will probably be the most focused, intense space to learn what you need to get into this industry right now by a seasoned veteran.
A lot of people don't know how to brand themselves. What is personal branding? And Wilderby comes in the picture right here because it has a personal branding module.
To be a successful model, I think you need to be a good business woman too, or a businessman. How to build your business, how to meet clients, how to, sort of engage with them. All these things I feel like people don't teach yet, which I think Lakshmi Rana is the perfect person to teach.
Wilderby can really be a change in the fashion industry by grooming many talents like us. It's a talent camp which is all inclusive and diverse, which is very nice, which makes it more easier for our kind to approach them more and make it more comfortable to do.
What Wilderby is looking for is somebody who has a fire in their belly to kind of meet the aspirations that they have set for themselves. We are not looking at somebody who is a prototype of a supermodel. We are looking for uniqueness. We are looking for character. Wilderby is a place which will help you identify your uniqueness and then prepare you with skill sets and a knowledge base to take it forward so that you come about and you are the most beautiful versions of yourself, both internally and externally. The core value of Wilderby is that talent is limitless and it comes with no boundaries. You can be from any walk of life and yet achieve what you dream of. Passion is all that you need.